Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to show you one of the trick how you can actually increase the 4G data internet speeds in the Poco X3 device. As you can see, friends, the Poco X3 has got one major disadvantage that the 4G signals and the 4G speeds are really low when the signals are very low, friends. So this means whenever you get the low signal mode, the 4G data connection it's not that good enough. So a lot of users, they did ask me this kind of question that how you can actually fix that, but this is a solution where which might be working for sometimes and which may not be working the other time. So that's why I'm not sure, but for me it's kind of working. So out of 10, I think maybe 5 to 6 times the trick did work, how to increase the 4G data speeds. So let me try to show you, friends, what are the results before and after, what's going on. So before I did the test results, so let me try to show you. So the test results were about 4 Mbps and 2 Mbps, but what I did was during this time I did try to use the aeroplane mode. So try to enable the aeroplane mode and try to disable again. So what happens, this will restart the complete SIM in network signals. As you can see, the network signals will be restarted, and then you try to do the 4G data test. You will be getting very good and strong 4G data internet. So that is what I did observe, friends. As I said, so this may not be working all the time, so at least give a try in your mobile phones or putting into the aeroplane mode and again disabling it off. So sometimes it will definitely work, sometimes it doesn't work. So make sure to comment below what are your thoughts about that. As I said, so right now if I'm doing the testings, it's not working, but before it did work when I'm trying to do the testings, same testing. As you can see, the time when I did as well, 6:49 I did. Right now the time is about 6:51, as you can see, friends. So this all the tests are done today only. So today around 6:45 I did the testings, and I'm getting the speeds about 2 Mbps and 4 Mbps. But after I do the airplane mode enabling and disabling, so sometimes it will definitely increase the speeds. So this is what my experience is. So make sure to comment below whether this kind of trick is working for you or not. If it's not working, I'll try to find some other kind of solutions or any kind of applications which are specifically designed for this kind of problem. So do let me know in the comments below, friends, what are your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more information on this Poco X3 in case if you're having any other doubts. So right now, as you can see, I'm getting around 2 Mbps. So let me try to disable and enable that again, and let me try to do the testings, 4G testings, and let's see what speeds we'll be getting. So sometimes it will work, sometimes it may not work. As you can see, right now it did went up to 5 Mbps in the beginning. So later on again it started to decrease. So you can just give it a go, friends, this kind of trick. Maybe if it is working, make sure to comment below. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.